Hello, hello. Welcome back to my little messy desk. It is messy today because I've been preparing for this video. So I am just working in my very scrappy book, another scrappy one. I actually made the cover. That's what it looks like so far. It's gonna be a bit more, but we'll see when we get there. So the good thing about working in this is that I can get it almost totally flat when I need to. So today I will just first of all make this page that I've prepared here, and then I'll show you a little project that I've been working on as well with some envelopes. Because I've got loads and loads of these money envelopes, so I thought, why not use them? That's what they're there for, isn't it? But first I'll prepare this page, or the background. See if I can get that. Oh, I did it in the wrong order here. Oh, never mind. We can fix that. Should have done this one first. So we'll just put some glue on here. No panic at all. There we go. Is that, yeah, I think it goes there. Just make sure that it's well into the middle here. And that was it. Give it a good squeeze. As you can see, I've already done a few things in here. I'll update you at some point and show you what I've done. Where's the front? There we go. There we go. I made this page yesterday, so we need to put something on there at some point. But this is what I came up with today. I love the colors on this one. So, envelopes. As I said, I have lots of them. So, I've prepared a little bit because I have this idea. Well, I've seen it before on YouTube, not with money envelopes, but with normal rectangular white envelopes. I glued the top down like that, and then I cut the long side so it's open here instead of up top. So that's what I did on 4 of them, like this. And and I put this on the front. See, where's the opening? There it is. Better keep an eye on where the opening is, because obviously you have to turn the same way, all of them. So I put a mark where the middle is, because that is where I'm going to put the glue. Let's see, yeah, it's gonna, when I put it in my journal, because it's going in the scrappy journal, I'm going to turn it this way. So, because it's too, they're too wide for putting this way. But anyway, I'm going to put glue only on this mark. And make sure that they are straight. Going to do that on all of them. Make sure it sticks. And the last one. There we go. Didn't need to put a mark on the back envelope, but there we go. That is done. So we have a multi-pocket harmonica style, like this. A very easy project, and you can do it with any kind of envelope, or you can even make your own. If you haven't got any envelopes, just make some bags. You can also make it out of little bags. Let me see, have I got any bags? I have. You know, bags like these. Obviously these are a bit too bright and too big for my journal, but yeah, you can use these as well. Either keep the opening where it is and put glue straight down, or glue them shut and cut the opening so you can use it that way. Very easy project. Simples. We like simple. So, oh, where's the opening? There it is. So, obviously this one is going in on the left side, because the opening is here. Another thing to remember. I have to remind myself of these little things, because I tend to do silly things, to be honest. Where do we put it? Where do we put it? No, not there. Not there. Not there. Could actually put it on this page, because I don't mind this side being covered up. I want to keep this little lady so we can see her. So yes, I think I'll put it on that page. And I may want to, should I do this as a closure? Yes, I think I will. So obviously everything doesn't fall out. I was thinking of making some sort of flap. You can do that as well, but I didn't want to cover this up. So this is how it's going to be. Yeah. And then it's just glue it in. I'm just gonna glue the whole thing on. I'm not gonna make a pocket at the back on this one because there's enough pockets. So it would be a bit daft to put something at the back here. And you go, whoop, whoop, whoop. See, as I said before, I am known to forget things. There we go. Is that in the middle? Not quite, is it? There we go. Give that a good pressing down there, so we can make sure it sticks. And let's see. Should be long enough to make a little bow here. Maybe I should do it more to the side. Like that. Yeah, I think that works, doesn't it? Oops. Yeah, something like that. So yeah, it's gonna, it is nice and firm there. So very nice. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets. 2 very large ones and 2 a bit smaller, but there's loads of space in here. Loads of space. And a little bow there. Yeah, that was actually a little quick one for me today. Nothing, what's it called? Nothing difficult or anything. We need some nice and quick projects now and then, don't we? But to be fair, I had prepared a little bit. So that's what I have so far. I think this is going to be another one of my favorites. See, it already looks very worn and used. curling up there. I love it. So that was a quick little project for me today. I hope you liked it, and I will just see you next week if you got time. Bye.